Hey guys, my name's Lauren. Welcome back to my channel. I can't believe it, but today is already January 1st, 2019, so I am here with my Project Pan 9 by New Year's 2018 finale video. This was a collab project pan started by Katie Marie on her channel From My Vanity here on YouTube, so I will leave the playlist and the hashtag for Instagram and everything else linked down below. So I hope that you guys all had a happy and safe holiday season and a happy New Year's Eve. So now before I go ahead and get into the products, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe down below so you don't miss out on any future videos. And also don't forget to go check out all the other ladies in the Project Pan collab, not only here on YouTube, but also on Instagram. So let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first product that I finished up since my last update is the Milani Make It Last Setting Spray. This one I really do enjoy. I think it's a really great affordable option. This was my second time purchasing this product, so I would highly recommend it. I do have a few other setting sprays in my collection right now that I need to go through, but this will probably one that I can continue to repurchase. The next product that I finished up was the Balm Schwing Black Liquid Eyeliner. This one was getting kind of old, but I decided to just keep, using it up until there was nothing left. I did have to, eventually start going over it with like a dark eyeshadow and kind of blending it out, but just trying to use everything up. So that is it for this one. The next product I didn't quite finish up, but I am still really proud of my progress, is the Laura Geller Baked Balance and Brighten Color Correcting Foundation in the shade Light. So you can see here, this is pretty much all gone. There's just a tiny bit left around the edge over here. So I imagine this will probably only take me a few more days to use up, but I am really proud of this. I think I've made, a lot of progress on this during this project. This probably won't be a product that I repurchase, just because it wasn't my favorite. It was okay. I didn't really like to use it as a foundation. I more so use it as a setting powder. But if I were to repurchase it, I would definitely try to get it in the shade Fair, the lightest shade. I felt like the shade Light just could end up being a little bit too orangey on me. If anything, it was definitely more of a summer shade for me. The next product that I have here, I wasn't able to completely finish it up, but I did make a lot of progress on it. This is the Smashbox LA Lights Blendable Lip and Cheek Color in the shade Hollywood and Highlight. This is what it looks like here. Now, I'm going to roll this up for you. So you can see the top line there was where I started, and then the second line was my halfway point check-in, and then you can see we've come down a little bit more even from that. So I was really happy with the progress that I was able to make on this. I feel like that was a huge chunk, and this was just kind of a product that was sitting in my collection for a while. I feel like it's starting to get a little bit old. It doesn't, smell funky. The texture hasn't changed, anything like that, so I think it's still okay. It's just, stick highlighters are just not my favorite form of highlighters, but I'm glad I had it in the project to really make myself focus on it and, get some good use out of it. The next product is the Physicians Formula Argan Wear Ultra Nourishing Argan Oil Blush in the shade Natural. This was another one. I already had a good bit of pan on it when I started it, but I really just made it a goal to really expand the pan, which I think I did here. Originally there was like a design and then it had like 3 different colors, but now it's like almost to the edge and it only just has the one pink shade left. So you can see I've almost hit some side pan over here. I do really like this product. So I'm going to continue to use it, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do next, if I'm going to start another project pan or just kind of continue this one and trying to get use out of these last few products that I didn't finish up. But I think this might be one that will, roll over into a next project pan. Now, this product was a little bit disappointing for me just because I didn't make the progress that I wanted to on it. So this is the Marc Jacobs Lamarque lipstick in the shade Kiss Kiss Bang Bang. So you can see where I started and that line there from the pink line from the halfway point check-in. And you can see I really haven't made any more further progress than that. I've tried to use this a few times as like a cream blush, which worked better for me. I did get, I think, more use out of it than just as using it as a lipstick. But I think I've just kind of come to the conclusion that I'm just not crazy about the color of this. I'm over it. I've had it in several project pans before. I think I'm just going to go ahead and declutter it because now that I've been using it as a cream blush, you know, brushing my little e.l.f. stipple brush on it, it's just kind of gotten gross. So I didn't complete the product. I didn't hit pan on it, but I'm just going to go ahead and declutter this one. The next product I have here is the Benefit Brow Contour Pro. So this one's doesn't have really any exciting progress to report because the way this is, the twist up, you can twist it up, but you can't twist it back down. So I really can't see how much product is left in it. So had already used up 2 of the shades, the actual brow shades, and now all that I have left is a definer and the highlighter. So I did like this product. The problem that I had with it was that I used up the actual brow color so fast, and then I was just left with the definer and highlighter shades. So it was just kind of, you know, annoying that I would have to like still use my Anastasia Brow Wiz and then go in and then do the defining and highlighting with this one. So I don't dislike it. I just don't know that I'll repurchase it again. I got mine in the shade Blonde Light. I did really like the color of this. But I actually got for Christmas the also from Benefit, the Highbrow Glow. So this is like kind of like a shimmery, not super shimmery, but kind of like a glowy highlighting stick to put under your brow. So I think once I finish up this, I'll really start to test this one out and see what I think of that. So then again, quickly, I'm just going to go through all of the products that I had shown before in my halfway point video, just to kind of show you guys what all I've been able to finish up through this product. So the first thing I have here was the Bath & Body Works body spray in the scent Salted Caramel Pumpkin. Completely finished that one up. Also the Essence Glow To Go Illuminating Setting Spray. This one I was really glad to be done with. I really didn't like it at all. It was just like a straight shimmer spray on my face, but I got it all used up. The Touch in Sol No Pore Brum Primer. I really do like this one. Once I go through some more of my primers, I will probably at some point purchase the full size of this one. The NYX Total Control Drop Foundation Drops. This one I was also able to completely finish up, which I'm really glad because it was just kind of sitting in my collection with just a tiny bit left in it. Also the Hourglass Mineral Veil Primer. I love this one. This is probably my favorite primer ever, but I've never gotten it in the full size just because I think it's like $54. It's so pricey, so maybe someday I will pull the trigger and purchase the full size of it, but for right now I have a lot of other primers in my collection that I do enjoy, so you know, same thing with the Touch in Sol one. Maybe once I go through a few other primers, I'll go ahead and finally get myself the full size because I know I love it. The NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer in the shade Vanilla. I really did enjoy this one. Completely cleared it out. Again, I think I will eventually repurchase this one, but once I clear out some other concealers that I already have in my collection right now. And then finally the Monsieur Big Mascara. This one I really did like. This was a deluxe sample size from Ulta. Loved it, but completely used it up, dried out. But I'm very excited that I actually got the full size of this for Christmas. So again, once I go through some of the mascaras that I already have open in my collection, I will move on to the full size of this one. Okay guys, so that is all I have for my Project Pan hashtag 9 by New Year's 2018 collab. I had a lot of fun doing this project, and I want to say thank you again to Katie Marie for starting it here on YouTube. I'm also so glad that I got to, you know, discover a lot of other really great channels and ladies here. So let me know in the comments down below if you know of any new project pans that are going to be starting. I like to do kind of like shorter ones, like 1 to 2 month long projects, or maybe ones that are based on the season. I had considered doing like 19 in 2019, but I don't know, I don't really like the year idea of doing a year-long project. I kind of like things that are, you know, a little bit faster. So also let me know in the comments down below if you just recently completed a project pan for the year of 2018. I would love to see your results and how you did. Please again, don't forget to give this video a like if you liked it, and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys have a happy and safe, healthy new year. Happy 2019. I hope that I see you in the next one. Bye, guys.